want to read that. Start off chapter 1. Reverse. Reverse. All right. See what's taking so long. Morning time. I can't wait for morning time.
How far could he have gone?
Ew. What the freak? Ooh. Let's see.
Anyone home?
Who's home? Oh. Anybody in casa? What's this? This says, I can read it. I can read it. See, juice. That's what I see. Fruit charm. Judgment is nice. 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 All right. Is there anything here I can take? Anything? Some doubloons. Anything? Ugh. That's gross. All right. What's this? Crack this bit. Please. No jump scare. Oh, look at this ugly motherfucker. He look high as shit. This motherfucker was always talking to himself, even from the start. Yeesh. What am I looking at? Mario. Mario Fernandez. Motherfucker got nice ass mustache. Oh shit! Oh, y'all would have kept popping on him right there. Motherfucker look like he stink. Alright.
This is no.
Give me that fucking key. Crack open this key. Is there anybody down there? Ain't nobody here, man. They don't want the power of the gate. Alright. What's going on over here?
Hey.
No! Is that Mario? Is it? You can tell by the neck wrinkles. That is Mario Fernandez.
I read you. What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
They killed my homies. It's about that time I get some revenge. Let's get the fuck out of here.
What was that?
Oh, motherfucker's neck! Oh, fuck out of here! Ooh, what the fuck did I stab? Is this motherfucker not dead yet? Oh, motherfucker cracked his back. 2 shots. Warning shots. Gotta let him know who's in the house. I own this bitch now. Oh shit. No, I'm not. I'm not here. You fucking liar. Look at that ugly fucking bitch. I gotta get the fuck out of here. Alright. And I reckon this is a Glock? I don't fucking know my guns. I reckon you come. Whoa, where the fuck you come from? Where the fuck you come from? Fuck back. Look at that. Ooh, look at their face. know what the fuck is up with it. Oh yeah, something. Yes. Gotta make sure they're dead, huh? Open up. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so, yep. See what's popping over here.
Shit.
Man. Was that Mario? I think I rolled in with 2 cops. I think I did. I think I see because I don't want to die. I reckon. I don't want to die. All right. If I can remember, there was a church thing, this, and then I think a house with a shotgun, which I think should be over here. Oh man, fast. There go Mr. Eyeball.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
All right, wait. Push, push, push. Go up. Look at that. Look at that. Here's my baby. Oh yeah, wait, 3? All right, let's go. Got myself a nice grenade. Got myself some more doubloons. Actually, all right. I hope they can't attack me right now, because if they can, I am completely fucked.
Here you go.
Pussy! Oh! Hold on. They maneuver my way out of here. Move, you old bitch! Fuck! Fight back, nigga! Fight back! Let me get up, let me get up, let me get up! Oh my god, they teamed up on me. Oh my god. Let's go. Close up. Chainsaw man.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
All right.
It's my lucky day.
Come on. Push. Grab on to the shotty.
Oh, nice.
Should be some bullets here.
Oh, sorry.
Kick this shit off. Wait for this motherfucker to pop up. Hit him with a purple on him. Bang! Alright, now what I do now is click number 4, toss the grenade, he catches it. Now I reload. And then hold on, let him walk. I'm going after you right there, sir. Alright, that's all I got. Whoa, Granny, chill. Jump! Alright, we push over here. Probably should switch my pistol, because I do got some bullets for that. Reload. Fuck out of here, old man. All right. I should probably take this motherfucker out. Oh my god. Fuck. Oh, this cow's doing my job for me. Fuck him up, cow. Oh, oh shit. Oh man, this is it for me, huh? This is it for me. This is it for me. Get the fuck back. Block that pussy. Look at him. With his one of my eyeballs. Motherfucker, dangerous. Back up. Oh, fucking A. Fuck back. Shit. Exit. Exit. Heal. Heal. Flash. Flash. Let's go. Fuck out of here, Granny. Pussy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Break free. Get the fuck away from me, pussy. Climb, climb, climb. Go in. Oh, pistol bullets. Let's fucking go. Alright, sticky situation. There's somebody to my right. How do we maneuver this? Reload. 5 bullets left. 1, 2.
You gotta be kidding me.
Kick. Drop kick. Bullets. Reload. Get the fuck out of here. Drop kick. Get the fuck out of here. Alright, this cow should be doing his job. Oh my god. Yeah, I can see you, old lady. Fuck back. Alright. Hook up on this ladder. Did I fucking beat it? Did I fucking beat it?
Huh?
I'm over here in shock too with the fucking zombie. Hey, what's good, pal?
La campana. Hay que obedecer.
Let's fucking go. I'm a goat still. I'm a fucking goat. I'm a fucking goat.
Tenemos que
I'm just
servir.
What am I talking about? Just as lost. I played this shit before. Look at Granny. I'm sorry, Granny. I ain't mean it. You too, Grandpa. I didn't mean any of that. All right, Grandpa. Bye.